So how do we actually connect our GameSir Tarantula Pro here to our Xbox? Well, the easiest way to connect it to your Xbox is to grab the wire that you should have gotten when you purchased the controller. So the USB-C end needs to go into here, of course. Make sure that it actually sticks. It's a little bit hard. I don't know why GameSir controllers are just kind of annoying when it comes to inserting wires, but make sure it's really in there, by the way. So now when it's in there, then the other end, the USB end here needs to go right here on your Xbox. So just insert it right here. And then what you're going to do after that is to find the home button on your controller here, click and hold until it turns on. And if you want to change the button layout, so for example, let's say you had this specific button layout, which is actually perfect for Nintendo Switch, but you want to change it so it actually fits your Xbox, just click on this button right here together with this one until it switches. So this is how you can switch the button layout, which is pretty cool. But basically that is exactly how to connect your GameSir Tarantula Pro here, as you can see, to your Xbox.